Do you want to create such 3D pop effect in Photoshop? In this video, we'll learn exactly the same. So, let's open Photoshop and get started. Here is our phone mockup and here is the image which we'll use. Go to Edit, copy and paste it in the original document. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust it in such a way that it covers the whole phone screen. Decrease the opacity if you want. When done, bring the opacity back to 100. Now, select the background layer and hide the image layer. From the toolbar, select the Magic Wand tool and click on the white screen to select it. Press Ctrl or Command J to copy it to a new layer. Enable your image. Right-click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. This will clip the image inside the screen. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the image. Now, we have to remove the background of this image to create the effect. Choose the Object Selection tool from the toolbar and click on the subject to select it. When done, click on Vector Mask icon to cut out the background. Right-click on the layer and convert it into Smart Object. Again, click on Vector Mask icon over here. Now, let's remove the extra areas that we don't need. Choose Polygonal Lasso tool from the toolbar and select the area that you want to remove. Select Brush tool and with black as the foreground color, paint on the selection. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect it and that's it. You have created an amazing 3D pop effect in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.